Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set the focus level on SONY ZV-E10 Mark II. To do that, we're gonna have to turn on the camera, and after that open menu button, then use left D-pad key to navigate to the sidebar. Here on the sidebar, we're gonna have to select shooting tab, open it. And after that, we're gonna have to scroll down to the last option on the list, which is the shooting option. And here we'll be able to set the focus level, but to do that, we're gonna need to attach the lens. So let's quickly attach the lens to this camera. And having the lens attached, we can set the defocus level, and we can adjust it from small to large, moving the slider using either by scrolling the D-pad or using left and right D-pad keys. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.